this video we're gonna be discussing about the plasma that is basically made on hottest place. The matter that is made on hottest place is known as plasma. Okay, and the matter that is made on coldest place that is known as condensate, or we can say Bose Einstein condensate of matter. So we can also call it superatom. Why we're gonna call it superatom? Let's just make the superatom. Now we're gonna make superatom. Now we're gonna see the process how Bose condensate of matter is made. So for this we gonna need boson particle, you can say, or you can say boson atom. So the formula for that is electron plus proton plus neutron, and the answer could be an even number. So if I could get an example, example could be helium. The helium atomic number is 2, number of proton, number of electron are the same, and we then we have number of neutron, that is 2 as well. So now we're gonna add them, that is equal to 6. So it is an even number. So now we're gonna see how boson particle is converted into boson condensate of matter. For example, this is helium and it have 3 particles. When we're gonna decrease the temperature, for example, this is at 1 and this is minus 27, 3.15. The maximum temperature to make the boson condensate of matter is minus 73.15. So that is very, very low, So these particle is gonna be converted into these. First of all, these particle will have momentum at this before keeping it as a very low temperature. Before this we have momentum, P is equal to E, M into V. So these particles have momentum. When these particles will be provided with a very low temperature, so they will have zero momentum, 0 MV, and the density of these will be very low density. Okay, so these, when you are decreasing the temperature, so there must be the transformation in the structure and the particles as well. So these particles will have the wave nature. Now these particles will be combining interference. We know the property of wave, that is interference. So due to the interference characteristics, the particles will be converted into wave at a low density, because we have the low density in Bose particles. And if we decrease the temperature, means it comes at a very coldest place, so the particle will be converted into wave. Because of the low density, these particles are converted into wave. Now talking about fermion atom. We have discussed about the plasma in the previous video. Now we're going to talk about the 6th state of matter, that is fermion atom. So let's see what's the formula. Electron plus proton, we were at electron, proton plus neuron, so the number could be odd. Okay, so now so here the same will be happening. We will gonna be give the low temperature, but here the particle density will be high. Temperature will be low, the density of the particle will be high. So will be in the fermion particle will be converted into what? Particles will be converted into liquid. Okay, But here the particle, these are the particles, these are the boson atom. Boson atom, you can say boson particle or boson atom. At a very low temperature these are converted into wave. But same here, it is gonna be happen, the difference is between the high and the low density. Here are less particles, here will be more particles, the group of particles. Okay, just for that.